Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing some AirPods. Ooh, look at those. And it even came with the charger. Sweet. And this time I got blue AirPods. Like Godzilla shooting his blue fire. So, let's get opening. So, this is where I'll be unboxing. You can see, got them right there. To make it a line, so you can see it. Okay, great. You can see it. Whoa. These look sick. But before I show you guys, I'm going to open this or whatever, okay? It's the charger. I'm gonna, whatever. There we go. It's a small charger, as you can see. Let's get onto the AirPods. They look sick so far, as you can see. So, and then, look at those. Look at those. Okay, you can see them. Time where you get to actually look at the AirPods. These look amazing. So, yeah, I will be using these in the future when I make videos. Goodbye. Just let me fix all of this. I'm going to keep them in the box so they don't get ruined. And so that's all.